Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're drawing a hummingbird from the Arizona theme series, and we're going to be using these Ohuhu markers, so let's get started. First, we're going to start with the beak. Now, we actually see these hummingbirds a lot in our window. We wake up in the morning, we go straight to the big window, and then we see a lot of hummingbirds in the morning. They usually come out in the morning, so that's why. Like that. So these birds are actually pollinators, and specifically I'm going to be drawing Anna's hummingbird, but we're going to color it in a different way with the markers. Okay. Now these birds are so cool. They like hover in so many directions: up, down, forward, backward, sideways, and sometimes even upside down. How cool is that? And also they flap their wings so fast. I don't know, about in the hundreds or thousands, they get to flap their wings in a second. We're gonna go like that. Draw some feathering. Now go to the legs. Now some of these hummingbirds have long or short beaks. This one has a long beak, but some have medium beaks, especially as the rufous. I'll actually switch the, oops. I'm gonna switch the Sharpie. Like that. Now this cap fell off. Now we're gonna draw the eye ring. Like that. And like that. Now these hummingbirds actually, one of their species is actually, one of their species is actually one of the smallest birds in the world, called the bee hummingbird. And I'm pretty positive that it lives in Cuba. And so yeah. Now let's do more here. Okay. Now we're gonna just go back to the wings and draw some detail. I'm gonna draw like that. And not here though, we're just gonna draw lines. Like that. And here. Now these are probably the most vibrant birds in my opinion, but they come in so many different varieties of colors that come in pink, turquoise, blue, green, black, purple, yellow, orange. What? And they're really tiny. And they're so super cute. Now first, I thought I knew about the hummingbirds, but I thought that they were what was it? Not the most vibrant, in my opinion again. I thought parrots were the most vibrant, but then when I got to really notice them, I was shocked. And I saw how many colors they came in. Like that. We're gonna color in the feet. Like that. Okay, so let's draw color with these markers. First, I'm gonna start with the pink right here. And just see. Oh, I like this pink. This is a cool pink. Okay, so I'm gonna just do it all throughout this section. Like that. I'm gonna go all over. Okay. Now actually, usually Anna's hummingbirds are pink, green, as I already mentioned in the video, probably. And we're gonna be doing different colors. I'm probably gonna use a lot of blue and green though, and pink. Those are gonna be my main colors, and purple. I can't get my mind straight. There's so many colors, but I don't know what to choose. Now I'm gonna use another type of pink for the eye ring. Let's do this. Nice, it's kind of like a peach. I feel like this is peach, yeah. It looks like pink. Now I'm gonna use this blue or turquoise, I don't know. Yes, it's blue. My favorite color is light blue, so if you didn't know that, that's why I like to do lots of different vibrant blues. Like that. And also don't put your hand on the colors, or else they'll stick to your hand and then it'll be hard to get off. Kind of like notepads, what was it? Sticky pad? I forget stuff. I'm gonna use this blue to just go through there. Like that. Now I'm gonna use this light green, I think. Yep, light green for kind of scales. Not scales, feathers. Oh my god. Their feathers are so tiny and round shaped. I keep on mistaking them, getting confused that they're actually feathers. I'm gonna use this grayish peach color. And this blue, I think, for the wings. Oh, this is a dark blue. Like that. I'm gonna use some here in the back. This is the back. And this lavenderish color from the outside, it looks like that. Yup, that definitely looks like lavender. That. There's two similar ones that look like lavender. But this color is pretty, I love it. Go there, just like that. Okay, let's do this turquoise. Turquoise is greenish color everywhere. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard to trace it all around, but I'm up for the challenge. Actually, I may not use all of it. It's gonna be really vibrant. The vibrant, the better though. Like this. Over here. I might actually do a yellow in the middle. Should I? I'm still thinking. Yeah, I should. Yellow might be the last color. Let's get this over with. This looks like an orangish brown. I'm gonna switch to this. I feel like I'm just like going, I'm rushing like I have a timer. There. Also, a lot of hummingbirds live in the jungle or tropical places, and actually they also eat bugs. I never knew that until I knew it. With their long beak, they snatch them from air and they devour them. Yeah, let's just say devour. Almost done. That's it. So I'm just gonna shape it. And you have to be careful, or else where you don't want to draw, it will draw. Almost done, almost. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you have it, a hummingbird. Now, well, yeah, that's it. You can draw this hummingbird, color it however you wish, just like I did. The most important thing though is that you have fun and be creative. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.